Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking apa?
So I have approximately 250 grams of chicken thigh here. After which I actually marinated with some light soy sauce, fish sauce, and white pepper. The belacan powder, roasted belacan powder, and I have some dried chili, which is rehydrated, approximately maybe about 10-15 pieces, and also mixed with some fresh chili, big fresh chili. If you want it more spicy, of course you can add in the bird eye chili, but I think this is good enough for me. So I'm using the big red chili, probably about 4 to 5 pieces, and the dried chili about 10 to 15 pieces. And I have 1 clove of garlic, shallot, and also ginger. And one more thing that we actually need is the chicken stock. Yeah, the chicken stock, I'm going to show you very quickly how you can make it. Just prepare 1 bowl of hot water, and we are going to put in about 1 teaspoon of my cooking Appa 100% natural premium chicken stock powder. Put in the chili. This is already soaked for 1-2 hours. Yeah, the dried chili. I noticed in Indonesia they don't really use dried chili, they use more fresh chili, yeah? But today I'm going to mix the two. There's no rules in Appa's kitchen, yeah? Here's the roasted belacan powder. I'm going to add in some water to help the blending process. Cover the lid and okay, off the power. Okay, you have this consistency. So next thing we are going to deep fry the chicken. While you are preparing the hot oil, I'm going to put in a little bit of cornstarch here. Give it a good mix. And we are going to use medium heated oil, somewhere around 130 to 150 degrees Celsius. It actually gets brownish more faster because I added soy sauce just now. This is after approximately 4 minutes. Actually, the smaller one is already done. I'm going to take it out and put it on top of an oil absorbing paper. Wow. Actually, this already tastes very good. Perhaps I should stop here. Right, the fried chicken is done. So we are going to do the next step. And you want to saute your sambal. You can always put your sambal in, the raw sambal in when the oil is still cold, yeah? So that it will not burn it so easily. And don't use too high heat on your sambal because it can get burned. Wow, very fragrant. It can be a little bit choking also, so be careful. We are going to spend at least 3 to 5 minutes sauteing this sambal before I do the next step. Meanwhile, let's very quickly prepare our chicken stock. Okay, this is my cooking Appa chicken powder. Add inside into the hot water, and your chicken stock is done. Next thing we are going to do is to add in the chicken stock. Ooh, look at the beautiful red oil. Give it a bit of oyster sauce. Now, like I said, I've never eaten this dish before, so I'm using my own weight, alright? A bit of oyster sauce, some light soy sauce here, premium Vietnamese fish sauce, some dark soy sauce. I remember the broth color is quite dark from his video. Okay, some dark soy sauce. sweet soya sauce also. This is the Indonesian sweet soya sauce. Kicap manis. It is boiling right now. I'm going to add in the fried chicken and let it simmer for probably about 5 minutes and it is done. I actually decided to let it simmer for a bit longer, almost like 15 minutes, so that the broth, the chili broth, can really go into the fried chicken itself. And you are seeing here the broth has actually reduced. It's basically done. I'm just I haven't really put in the salt and sugar, right? Have I? I forgot already. Anyway, I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. And we do need to put in some sugar to adjust to taste here. Sambal sauce. Alright. So, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.